I have a set of data like this and I want to print it. So if I go to File and then I go to Print, you'll see how it will look like. So this is the first page, the way it looks like. Now, if I go to the second page, I don't find the titles that are supposed to be here. And the page number 3 and all other pages, I won't be able to find the titles. So how do we insert the titles in every page of our work when we're going to print it? So now the step number 1, you just go to the page layout tab, and then inside the page layout tab, just go to the print titles. And then here, what I want to repeat is a row. I just want to repeat the first row in every column. So just click my cursor there on the first row, the row that I want to repeat, and then I can just now hover to my Excel sheet this way, then click on the given row. Then after that, I can just click on the print preview so that I can preview my work. So you can see now clearly, this is how page number 1 looks like. So if I go to page number 2, this is how our page number 2 looks like. It has the headers. Page number 3, it also has the headers. Page number 4, it also has the headers. So this is the simplest way whereby we'll be able to repeat the headers in every page of our Excel sheet. Thank you so much for your time.